Hi everyone, welcome back to our coffee conversation series where we sit down with our in-house experts to explore technology implementations and how we have been working on some innovative use cases for our customers. In today's episode, we are venturing into the dynamic world of computer vision, a realm where machines gain the power to perceive and understand the visual world. Joining us back in this exploration is a distinguished expert in the field, the head of data and AI practice at Acuvate Software, Shanawaz. Welcome, Shanawaz.
Thank you for having me in this conversation, Jagan, for the second time. I'm glad to have the tasty coffee and great conversations.
Yeah. With a wealth of experience in harnessing data and artificial intelligence to solve complex business challenges, our guest today, Shanawaz, stands at the forefront of implementing and integrating cutting-edge technologies like machine vision, optical character recognition, image recognition into enterprise solutions. Today's episode isn't just about what these technologies are. There is a better content on the internet for that, believe me. We shall focus on how they are being applied, the transformative impact they're having on the businesses across industries, and the practical insights our team at Acuvate Software has gained from being on the front lines of the innovation. Finally, we will also explore how generative AI is pushing the boundaries even further in this field. So whether you're looking to understand how these technologies can be revolutionizing your business, or if you are just keen to understand the behind the scenes of their implementations, you are in the right place. Shanawaz, let us set the base here. Can you explain briefly what does computer vision technology mean?
Yeah, sure, why not? Let's embark on a journey through some of the most dynamic sectors where machine vision is making an enduring impact. In manufacturing, the precision and speed of machine vision systems are revolutionizing production lines. Picture this: on an automotive assembly line, computer vision algorithms meticulously inspect each vehicle component, catching even the slightest paint imperfection or misalignment, ensuring nothing but perfection. Meanwhile, robots with eyes sharper than any human assemble electronics with unparalleled accuracy. Through the strategic placement of cameras, manufacturers gain invaluable insights, optimizing workflows and reducing waste, exemplifying the relentless pursuit of excellence in production. Transitioning to, say, healthcare sector, the impact of machine vision is both profound and personal. Medical imaging, enriched by computer vision, is a beacon of hope, offering early diagnosis of life-threatening diseases by uncovering hidden patterns in MRI and CT scans. In the silent corridors of hospitals, cameras watch over patients, guardians that never blink, ensuring care is but a moment away. This technology is not just about saving time, it's about saving lives, assisting researchers in untangling the complex web of medical mysteries. In the realm of automotive, machine vision is the true co-pilot. ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems, rely on vigilant cameras to keep us safe on the road, alerting drivers to dangers unseen. Beyond assistance, we stand on the brink of a revolution with autonomous driving, when cars see, understand, and navigate the world with clarity that rivals human perception. Imagine a world where transportation is not just a matter of getting from point A to point B, but a journey which is much safer and more accessible through technology. In logistics and supply chain management, it has been redefined by machine vision. Within the bustling aisles of warehouses, computer vision systems ensure that every item is precisely where it needs to be, optimizing space and streamlining the journey from warehouse to doorstep. Robots or drones, guided by the unerring eye of the computer vision, transport goods with balletic grace, redefining efficiency. On the roads, fleets of vehicles are monitored with eagle eye, ensuring that every delivery is a promise which is always kept.
Thanks, Shanawaz. That's a good overview of how enterprises could use this technology. However, at Acuvate, I know we have a clear focus on providing solutions to CPG, manufacturing, energy, healthcare, and public sector verticals. It would be great to hear from you about some of the high impact use cases we've implemented in these verticals. Let us start with manufacturing.
I can share some of our reverting work Acuvate has been implementing for our customers, which have given a high ROI. One is smart factory. In this innovative setting, Acuvate has taken strides to redefine the very essence of manufacturing efficiency and reliability. Imagine a manufacturing environment where every camera, every sensor is not just a passive observer, but an active participant in quality control. Acuvate has turned this vision into reality by deploying computer vision models on edge devices. These models scrutinize each part being manufactured with an unparalleled level of detail, identifying issues that would be invisible to the human eye. This meticulous inspection ensures that only products meeting the highest quality standards reach the next stage of production. Acuate's vision extends beyond the production line. In a brilliant fusion of machine vision and artificial intelligence, thousands of process and instrumentation diagrams, we call it PNIDs, are scanned to extract invaluable data about the factory assets. This is not just data collection, it's the contextualization of each of the component, each of the mission in the vast ecosystem of the factory. The end goal is predictive maintenance, right? By understanding the intricate web of interactions and dependencies, Accurate solution foresee potential failures even before they occur, ensuring that the wheels of production turn smoothly without unexpected interruptions. Digital factories with computer vision are not only solving today's problems, but is paving the way for a future where factories are smarter, resilient, and efficient. Adding another layer to this narrative of innovation, consider the challenge faced by one of the large manufacturing company plagued by data quality issues with their computerized maintenance management system, or the CMMS. The daunting task at hand was to validate whether the asset hierarchy by scrutinizing countless engineering diagrams, a task projected to span at least 5 years. Yet, with Acuate's intervention through cutting edge machine vision systems, what seemed a Herculean task was accomplished in merely 9 months. The deployed deep learning system meticulously compared the asset hierarchy in the CMMS against the engineering diagrams, flagging off if there are any anomalies for human review. This wasn't merely a triumph of technology over time, it was a testament to how machine vision can redefine the paradigms of data integrity and operational efficiency.
Great, that's good. That's mostly covering the production line side of use cases. However, if I know we have also seen great benefits applied to the supply chain and the logistic departments. Can you throw some light on them too?
Yeah, sure. In case of logistics of a large bottling company with whom we are working, they were grappling with fleet management inefficiencies. Acuate's digital eye solution was transformative for them. We had integrated IoT with machine vision. This innovation had automated truck check-ins, yielding an impressive saving of about 7 million on an annual basis. Such efficiency exemplifies the profound impact of smart technology integration with logistics.
Great. That summarizes what we have done for manufacturing, especially on the production as well as the other departments.
Yeah.
And I'm assuming the same would be applicable like factories to process plants, etc. also. What about the other verticals? Because we also focused on energy, healthcare, and other verticals. Can you throw some light on those also?
Sure, absolutely right. As you said, we work with quite a few other verticals as well, like government sector. This particular company was facing a Herculean task of inspecting thousands of videos to identify cases where vehicles were idling, there was noise pollution due to muffler modification. These government agencies found themselves entangled in inefficiencies and human fatigue. Acuvate solution was a game changer for them. By deploying a computer vision system adept at analyzing video footage to detect these specific violations automatically, we gave them a leap of streamlined regulatory enforcement, making a paradigm shift in how government oversight can be achieved with elegance and efficiency. The other use case is for a large insurance company which is based out of Middle East. They were hamstrung by manual document verification for their claims processing, a scenario which is all too familiar in this sector. The introduction of optical character recognition and robotic process automation by Acuvate revolutionized this landscape, slashing the processing time by almost 50 to 60%. This not only enhanced customer satisfaction, but also ushered in substantial operational cost savings. The other use case is we work with a large university hospital based out of UK. They had a daunting challenge of accurately diagnosing and classifying cataracts. They found a formidable solution in Acuvate's computer vision system. Our use of computer vision technology facilitated precise detection as well as categorization of cataracts, enhancing patient care and streamlining treatment pathways. It is a testament to the power of technology in augmenting healthcare delivery. We have worked with large energy companies, especially in prioritizing worker safety. We have implemented computer vision system to monitor safety protocols, detect fire hazards, identify leaks in real time. This proactive approach to safety not only mitigated risks, but also resulted in, of course, significant financial savings across medical consulting, the insurance payouts they have to make, and also the compensation costs. The last one which I would want to highlight is for a construction company. They are large in terms of revenue. They were burdened with manual analysis of engineering drawings, witnessed a leap into efficiency with the Acuvate's deep learning solution, what has been implemented. These algorithms extracted critical project planning information like the length of joists, the girders, the number of joists from complex engineering drawings, reducing the manual effort and improving the cost and the timelines for estimations.
That is great, Shanawaz. Looks like these use cases cut across right from production lines in the factory to logistics to claims processing in healthcare, etc. Now, how can we not talk about the elephant in the room, the generative AI? Yeah. How do you think generative AI is disrupting this kind of use cases? What is its impact in computer vision technology?
Sure, Jagan. Today we stand at the cusp of a new dawn in the realm of technology where the field of computer vision is experiencing unparalleled disruption thanks to advances across the spectrum of emerging technologies. This transformation is not just a leap, it's a quantum jump that's reshaping our approach to artificial intelligence and how we perceive the world around us. One of the most groundbreaking developments is the advent of multimodal large language models, or LLMs, which have been pre-trained with a vast array of images from the internet and diverse image datasets. This innovation has dramatically simplified the process of fine-tuning and promoting or prompting models with just a few short examples. The result, for our customers with GenAI pre-trained vision models, we have seen significant reduction in training and testing time, opening new vistas of possibilities and applications in record time. Looking ahead, the future promises an era where small vision language models running on the edge device will become ubiquitous. Imagine models deployed directly on cameras, bringing intelligence to the very edge of our networks. This is not just an evolution, it's a revolution that promises to redefine how we interact with technology in our daily lives. Reflecting on the recent past, one can't help but muse on the what if, right? What if these large language models had surged into prominence just before the pandemic? The acceleration and adoption through those challenging times could have been nothing short of phenomenal, especially for vision based models amidst the restrictions imposed on factories would have been phenomenal. Indeed, figures like Altman and Nadella were just a tad bit shy of this transformative era. The horizon is vast and filled with promise. New neural network models such as vision transformers and approaches like the symbolic AI are breaking new ground. The integration of multi and hyperspectral imaging, along with multimodal fusion of computer vision with other sensor streams, be it audio or text or even smell, is propelling us forward unprecedented advancements. Moreover, the significant improvements in processing performance and algorithms are reshaping the landscape of possibility. No industry remains untouched by the innovation in computer vision. The forthcoming generation of technologies promises to spawn new market opportunities and foster innovation, right from scene understanding to fine-grained object and behavior recognition that can transform security, worker health and safety, critical patient care, to the automation of data pipelines that accelerate the time to value of computer vision systems. The future is brimming with potentials. New architectures, business models, and tools and services are continuously evolving, driving down costs and improving performance, bolstering confidence in computer vision system. As we gaze into the future, it's clear that the landscape of computer vision is not just changing, it's being reborn. The integration of advanced technologies is not merely enhancing our capabilities, but it is setting the stage for a new era of innovation and opportunity across all industries, right? The promise of computer vision fueled by these advancements is boundless.
Thanks, Shanawaz. In the last couple of years, we've done quite a few implementations using computer vision technology. And in the last few months, we have successfully used generative AI in these implementations, right? So what would your advice be for customers who are embarking this journey so that they can be more successful with these implementations?
Yeah, sure, Jagan. One thing that I would want to highlight is there is a key difference when it comes to AI projects versus a normal, regular application development project, right? In the sense, AI projects can bring value faster, but might take a while to be more accurate, which is the reverse in case of application development projects. Computer vision as a technology, time and again, especially with multimodal Gen AI, has been proven to be working quite well. So doing POCs to prove the technology could be a throwaway effort. Right? Rather, I would recommend starting off with a production ready minimum viable product or an MVP with minimal features that have the high business dollar impact. This can typically be done in 8 to 16 weeks. A lot of enterprises, when embarking on a computer vision journey, focus on solving the most difficult problem which AI could solve instead of focusing on the business value which AI could bring. What has worked for our customers, at least, is starting with the high business value MVP, and then we start working on adding additional features, or it could be improving the accuracy of the models and automating it end to end. That could generally take about 3 to 6 months, but business would have realized the value of what computer vision technology could do for them. The business would know what is the benefit they would get out of the technology, and it's all done in a span of 8 to 16 weeks, which makes it easier for customers to be able to benefit from the technology, as well as selling it internally becomes easier as well.
Absolutely. So just to summarize, because I've been at the close aspects of these projects. So first, what you are saying is, don't do the POCs for the sake of proving technology,
Yes.
because the technology seems to have taken a leap forward on that. Pick up your low-hanging fruit, not with an intent to test the technology,
Yes.
but with an intent to get the maximum value for the business use case that you're driving.
Yeah.
So choose that kind of a use case that will create impact, right?
Yeah,
Do not span your MVP or the initial version of what is good for the production not too long. So basically, an 8 to 16 or an 8 to 14 weeks timeline seems to be a pretty sweet spot when it comes to putting that kind of a timeline. And and then of course, continue investing on the training efforts, so that, because it's at the end of the day, AI, it is dependent on huge amount of data set already, as well as continuous training on your specific data set to get the accuracy. So that should sum how you can go with it, right? Thank you. So Shanawaz, Acuvate is a software services provider. It has been pioneering a lot of these AI implementations for a lot of enterprises. So in the projects that you described, the implementation projects that you described, what is Acuvate's contribution? Is it developing the models, or is there a larger picture here of how we approach implementing these services for our customers?
Yeah. As you rightly said, Acuvate is a services company. With our experience of implementing AI and computer vision technology and different use cases across verticals, which we just discussed, we do have a good understanding of how to build deep learning models that would work for the given situation. Acuvate is beyond that, though. Acuvate has a 7-step framework called Acuvate Digital Framework, in which computer vision or machine vision is just one component. We have the capability of combining IT and OT data, deploy deep learning models on edge devices like camera, for instance, and generate real-time alerts, bring data to the cloud for training deep learning or machine learning models, building deep learning machine learning systems. We also work on building LLM-based smart applications that could help decision makers take database decisions, and the framework also helps people to propagate the changes back to the sources or to the sensors or actuators for taking corrective action, right? So it's not only about building models. We work on the end-to-end spectrum, leveraging the Acuvate digital framework.
Okay. So to summarize, our focus is not to go and provide a technology solution. Our focus has always been to take a business use case, understand what ROI will help the end customer through the solution, and to be able to implement it end to end. And the 7-step digital framework, of course, helps. In fact, our CTO, Johan Krebers, he's coming up with a bunch of webinars where he will explain in detail each step of the 7-step framework, and you should definitely check it out, right?
Sure.
So thank you for your time, and it was great meeting you. We look forward to more such conversations of how Acuvate has implemented generative AI and in various scenarios. Until next, bye, namaste.